is an interview with my dog. So Mr. Dog, Mr. Dog, how are you? What do you have to say about dogs, Mr. Dog? You heard it here first. What do you have to say about snow? Do you like snow? You heard it here first.